These tiny kittens were only 3 days old when they came home with us, along with their mama, and this is what their first week in foster care actually looked like. When I picked them up, I knew the next several weeks were going to be a little unpredictable. At this age, kittens are incredibly fragile, and even though they had their mom taking care of them, I still wanted to keep a really close eye on everyone. So along with checking on them throughout the day, weighing the babies, and making sure everyone was eating and gaining, I set up our Petcube camera so I could see what was happening when I wasn't in the room. And honestly, I think some of my favorite moments from their first week are the ones they didn't even know I was watching. Mama was still figuring out her new space, the babies were basically spending their entire lives eating and sleeping, and slowly everyone started getting more comfortable. What you're watching here is mostly footage from their first week with us. Nothing super polished or staged, just a mama cat taking care of her babies, 3 tiny kittens growing a little bit every day, and all of those little moments we normally wouldn't get to see. And this is only the beginning because they'll be with us for the next several weeks while these babies grow up and get ready for their next chapter.